Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing CapCut Pro, the premium version of the popular video editing app. Is it really worth the money in 2025? Let's break it down. CapCut Pro gives you access to extra features like premium transitions, effects, and fonts. No watermark on exports, faster rendering and HD export options, access to pro-level AI tools including automatic captions, stylized filters, and advanced video templates. Pricing varies by region, but is usually around $7 or $9 per month, or cheaper with the yearly plan. But before you upgrade, here's a few things to know. The free version is already very powerful, great for basic to intermediate editing. Some pro features may not matter unless you are doing serious content creation. You need a stable internet connection for cloud based tools to work smoothly. So is CapCut Pro worth it? If you are a content creator, YouTuber, or someone who edits videos regularly, yes, it is a great deal for the price. But if you are only editing occasionally, the free version should be enough. Make me know in the comments if you've tried CapCut Pro and what you think. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more simple, honest reviews. Thanks for watching.